For the hexes in this video, I've used acrylic yarn along with a 4mm hook. This is a fantastic project if you have leftover yarn, so you can make each round with different colors, and by repeating actually the third round, you can grow your hexie to the size that you want or need for your project. So let's begin. To start the hexie, make a slip knot and chain 7. And join with a slip stitch to make a ring. Next, I like to make another slip stitch to fasten that ring. Chain 3, this counts as the first double crochet, and next make 2 double crochets more, 1 and 2, chain 2, and make another set of 3 double crochets. So we are going to repeat this pattern, 3 double crochets, chain 2, to make 6 such sets of 3 double crochets. Five, and now we are going to work the last set. When you are done, chain 2 and slip stitch into the first stitch of the 3 chain we made at the beginning, and our first round is done. Next we are going to insert new color. Make a slip knot and insert new color into the chain space. Chain 3 and double crochet 2, chain 3, and make another set of 3 double crochets. I'm sorry about the squeaking of the yarn, it's quite hot here. Okay, next we are going to chain 1 and repeat this set of 3 double crochets in this chain space here. So from here, repeat this same pattern for all the chain spaces up to here. And the last set of 3 double crochets is done. Now we are going to chain 1 and slip stitch in the last stitch to finish off the round, slip stitch into the next stitch and cut off the yarn. And for this video I'm going to just make another round, which you can repeat to make the hexagon as big as you'd like. For the third round, insert new yarn into the chain space and chain 3. Next we are going to repeat this same pattern here, so make 2 double crochets, chain 3 and make 2 double crochets more, next chain 1 and make a set of 3 double crochets into this chain space here. That's 1, 2 and 3. Next, in this chain space here we are going to work this corner pattern, chain 1 and then make a set of 2 sets of 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and another set of 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. So basically chain 1. Basically we're going to repeat this same pattern. We are going to work just a set of 3 double crochets here, the corner pattern here, the side pattern, 3 double crochets here, and all up to the first one. So the hexie is done, and with this third round, by repeating the third round, you can make the hexes as big as you'd like. So the pattern was a set of 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in between the corners. Repeat this pattern all around to grow your hexie.